Hey guys, in this video I'll be giving you 5 things that were announced at the Apple event. Number 1 is watchOS. Now, some of the updates that were made to watchOS is the usability. Like, for instance, when finding the app you want, all you have to do is just click the side button for the dock, and now you can swipe up from the bottom of the watch face for Control Center for all of your settings. You're also able to choose from a variety of new faces and customize them with the apps that you like, or maybe the ones that you use the most. Apple has also added an app called Breathe that guides you through a series of deep breaths that can help you manage your day better, which in my opinion is very useful for people who have a stressful day or job, and it just helps your day go a lot faster and easier. On to messages. You can now put stickers in your messages, which I think is good for some people, but I don't think I would really use it that much. But you're able to reveal your message to somebody with a feature called Invisible Ink, or reply in your own handwriting or scribble letters. And overall, what I like about watchOS is the speed and performance of it, and the extra features that you probably wouldn't get on the watch but you would have on your iPhone or iPad or something like that. Now, number 2 is tvOS. Now, with the new update, you can control your Apple TV with the Apple TV remote app right from your iPhone and still have all the same features as your remote, like Siri to search some of your favorite topics, display your photos, and even videos. Now, number 3 is macOS. Some big changes have been made, like the number 1 obviously being the name. It's not being called OS X, it's now macOS Sierra, and Apple's main focus on this was a bunch of continuity features that were introduced in the previous version of OS El Capitan, and the first feature was auto unlock. And basically this allows you to access your Mac when you're wearing your Apple Watch and wake up your Mac, or make a call and get right back to work without having to type in your password, because it just eats up so much time, and it's kind of annoying to have to type in your password all the time when you're trying to get something done quickly. But now your Mac will recognize you're wearing an Apple Watch and will automatically log you in without any problems. Some of the other things, like keeping all of your files that you have on one Mac and syncing them across all of your computers and devices that include your iPhone, your iPad, and whatever other device you have. So now you have access to all of your files no matter what device you're on. One more useful feature that I think would be very useful to me is universal clipboard, because I'm constantly copying, pasting things on my Mac or my phone or something, and it's kind of annoying having to switch between both. So now with universal clipboard, it allows you to copy and paste things on any device that has continuity. Like say you copied something on your Mac, you can now paste it on your iPhone, which is super useful in my opinion, and it's just an easier way of getting all of your information across all your devices. There was also an update to Apple Pay that will let you pay for things with your Mac, which is pretty cool, because I have Apple Pay on my iPhone, and I would never think they would put it on the Mac, because it's a computer. It's not like you're going to be carrying it around. But you can pay for things with your Mac when you're using your iPhone to authenticate your purchase. So that is some of the cool features with Mac OS Sierra. There's all for that. On to the last thing, number 4, which is iOS 10, which I'm really excited for. A couple new features in iOS, like first of all being you're able to get rid of apps, like the apps that are already pre-installed on your device, like stuff like tips and like stuff like that, or even I think music you can move, I guess, but it frees up some space in your phone, or you don't have to use like a folder to get rid of them. Even if these are apps that you never use, it's pretty cool. So like news, tips, weather, instead of making a folder of the apps you don't use, you can just get rid of them easily. There's also Raise to Awake, where it will light up your screen and show you all of your notifications when you lift up your phone and look at it. And the notifications have also been improved a bit, so now you have a clear all notifications button to easily get rid of all your notifications before you unlock your phone on your lock screen. And you could also use 3D touch on your notifications to expand on your lock screen, and it'll show more info, which is a feature called widgets basically. And you are now able to 3D touch certain apps on your home screen, but I will be honest, I don't use 3D touch that much on my iPhone 6s. Even though it is a useful feature, I rarely use it. Some other improvements that have been made is to Apple Music. It has been redesigned. Apple News has a complete redesign, and a new app called Home, which acts as a hub for all of your HomeKit devices like security cameras, whatever devices you have hooked up in your house, for all of your HomeKit devices. And then of course the emojis are 3 times bigger than they were before. 5 is Siri. Now she is now on the Mac and has her own little icon in the dock to access her easily, because before you only had the capability of like the function key. It was basically used for dictation, not necessarily Siri, but it was a way to dictate what you were saying. But anyways, that is it for this video, guys. If you want me to cover any more on iOS 10, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, click that like button below. Subscribe for new videos every Thursday, and I will see you guys next